I feel like she ain't needed to go. Gretchen don't need to go. I like Gretchen. But say, girl, I was gonna tell her, like, girl, look. Yeah, I am from Louisiana, y'all. I was gonna have to tell that girl, I was like, girl, look, you not black. Stop saying that for real. Now, I mean, I really don't care. I really don't care, like, because people gonna say what they want. Like, I'm not finna be fighting you and keep fighting you and keep fighting you and you ignorant. Like, worst person to keep going back and forth with is an ignorant person. And it's just like, I ain't even finna waste the time. I ain't even finna waste my breath on you. Like, if I tell you something, girl, you ain't never told me nothing. All I seen was that you liked it alive. Man, they played. Man, they only gave me 5 wings, y'all, and I ordered 6. You sound boring. Bitch, come find out if I'm boring. Come find out if I'm boring. Stop playing with me. Get off this bitch. Can we curse on here? Nah, I ain't gonna call them. They about to close. I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna make their life hard. I ain't no bitter customer. Hey, Stephanie. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, I don't like soggy wings. I don't like that. Girl, go get you some. Like, go get you some. Do you like Natalie? Yeah, I love Natalie. That bitch so messy. She's so messy, but I'm messy. So, I love Natalie. I ain't even finna cap. Like, I ain't even finna cap. Like, I do like Natalie. I'm gonna tell y'all all who I like. I like Natalie. I like, Anna. I like, Nunu. Who else? I like Scotty. Boy, Scotty is my... Man, look, man, Scotty my bitch, for real. Like, I'm talking like my girlfriend. Like, if I could pull... Like, if I could ever have Scotty, I'm telling y'all, I show Scotty a good time. Like, I show Scotty a good time. Like, she wanna fuck with Natalie. Man, come where it's good at. Like, come where it's good at. Krishan a Pisces. I'm a Pisces. I love Krishan. I love Krishan. I'm a Pisces. Krishan a Pisces. That explains a lot. I'm a Pisces, yeah. Wait, they said, yeah, I'm gonna stay far away from Pisces because you tweaking. Who tweaking? I ain't even do nothing. Like, I ain't even do nothing. Yeah, Krishan is crazy. I ain't crazy like that, though. She wild. For real. I ain't even finished saying who I like. And I kind of liked that girl that look like Stunner and Smiley. That y'all was saying look like Stunner and Smiley. What, Belle? How them wings taste, gang? Man, they mid. Nah, I'm not crazy. I wish I was crazy. Spending the night at my boyfriend's house. Should I wear cute fit and makeup or baggy clothes and plain look? Alright, let me tell you. Me, I I don't wear makeup, but I wear makeup. I put like concealer under my eyes, and I put eyeliner, and I put some blush, and it make me look like I got a little natural makeup look on my face. Still be cute though. Then I wore a little olive green crop top with some gray baggy sweatpants and some slides. I'm telling you. I was looking so... Man, can we share pictures on y'all? We can't share pictures on y'all? What's the move for the weekend? I'm trying to go downtown with it. What y'all trying to do? I'm off. Green screen? Oh, yeah. Okay, I'm about to show you. Wait, how I do this? How I do the green screen, y'all? It's not letting me. Who does your hair? I do my own hair. Y'all, how I put a filter on y'all? How I do... Y'all don't be looking at my forehead now. I know it's big. Oh, I go to effects. Green screen. Is this it? Okay, I don't have a... Oh, look. Is it working? Okay, so boom, I did that. I wore it like that. Super cute, y'all. And then look my face. Hold on. This how I did my makeup. Hold on. This how I be doing my makeup, but I don't have no makeup on. It's literally just concealer and blush. Concealer, blush, and eyeliner. How I take this down? Okay. Yeah, you got good skin, girl. Yes. Well, no. Trying. It's getting there. I got a couple of scars and a couple of little bumps in my face, but oh yeah, I don't know how to eat. Look, I got sauce on my chin. I like that, not gonna lie. Yes, it is cute. I like fitted crop tops with baggy sweatpants. I love that. What regimen? Okay, so y'all know that Cucumber Dove body wash? Well, I use a bar of soap, and I rub that in my skin, and then I rinse it off. And then they got this Jergens lotion. It smells so good, and I put that on as a little moisturizer. Or sometimes I use Cetaphil, but Cetaphil don't got a smell, and the smell it don't smell good, but it don't stink. So I like stuff that smell good on my face because they had a whole body smelling good, you know. You look innocent in that picture. I am innocent. That's what, lotion? Yeah, it's lotion. It's lotion. It's called Jergens. I forgot what it's called though. It's called Jergens, but I forgot like what it say. And I put that on my face, but I don't recommend it to nobody because it is a lotion, and I know lotion break out people's face. I'm in the Buffalo Wild Wings parking lot eating my stuff. My fries mid, they cold. I don't be outside. I wish. I wish I was turned. Buffalo Wild Wings do be good, but they messed up on my food this time. I love tacos. I love them. And I love Chipotle, y'all. Like, I'm gonna have to come on, y'all, and I'm gonna have to eat my Chipotle bowl in front of y'all, because I'm telling y'all, my little bowl be so good. It is about to be 12. Star Band, shit, I don't blame you. Yeah, I know. Are you in New Orleans? No, I'm not in New Orleans. Why you eat like that? I don't eat like nothing. Gang, it is 12. Nah, it's 11:54. Hey, money. Wah, wah, wah. Nobody told you to get on live looking that pretty. Thank you. Y'all actually look like a bum. Man, you better eat that chicken to the bone. Don't play with that food. Can I have some? You don't want this. It's mid. Oh, it's 11:50. It's 11:55. Not for me. They is soft. That's what I'm saying. Like, sorry, y'all, but I hate that. I should have said fried hard. I got a texture problem. I hate that. That boy said, you know what else so for now? Drop the pin so somebody could come and kill me? Never.